Hi friends, this video shows how to change device name. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, set about, set device name. Then set change. And here you can see some names. You can select one name from this list, or you can go down and select enter custom name. Here we can set a new name. Let me set TV2. You can set any name here, then save. Done. See, device name has been changed. So this way we can change device name. Let me change it back to previous name. Again, go to change. Let me change it back to living room TV. Done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.